Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, we are going to discuss about the green list courses and how you can utilize these courses for the better visa outcome as well as for your future PR. So these courses leads to the PR eventually, but in order to get the visa at the initial step, your focus should be that you should take up a course which is in green list. So I am sure that if you are planning for Feb 25 intake, which is almost 6 months down the line from now. Right now is the time where you should be focusing on choosing the right course, which will lead you towards getting your visa successfully and choosing the right course, choosing the right university, choosing the right consultant, having adequate funds, and doing your proper visa application will going to definitely play a role which will enhance your visa chances, which will enhance your future PR chances. So it has to be start in a proper manner so that you would be able to get all these things sorted as nicely as possible. So in my opinion, choosing the right course is the best case scenario where it leads to all the best things which can happen to your profile. So in order to determine the best course as per your profile, you need to definitely check out the green list. The green list is the list of occupation which are highly in demand in New Zealand, which eventually leads towards the PR. So when you talk about the green list program, it has all the engineering programs, which is computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, software engineering, civil engineering. All these professions are in the green list. Civil engineering is one of the highest in demand program in New Zealand because in New Zealand has limited population and the construction people are very limitedly available in New Zealand. So if you are from the construction background, then this would be something which can highly help you get your PR as well as the proper job. Now the next is in the software industry, same in the mechanical and same is the electrical. So every time a family moves to New Zealand, they would need a home. So there are limited homes which are there in New Zealand, and that is the reason that why immigration also do not allow the bulk migration to New Zealand, because that would disrupt what is happening here. Like they want to make everything stable and happy for everyone. They don't want that people should come and feel a chaos here, that there are no adequate housing which is available, and that would also lead to inflation later on. So their focus is that everything should be in the balance, and that's why they entertain more to the students who are applying for the areas which fall under the green list category. So now in order to get these things done, you would need the support of an consultant who can help you and guide you throughout the process, helping you determine the best course which can eventually lead you towards the PR. I am in New Zealand looking out things here. That's why I have decided to do this video. Generally, I don't do videos on the profession which leads to PR and all those things. But what I've realized here is that construction, the health science courses, early childhood education, software engineering, uh, data science, data analytics. These are the 4 5 kind of category. Civil engineering. These are 4 5 kind of categories which can definitely help you get a good job as well as the PR. Now the process is very simple. The process is that you choose the right course as per your profile. You choose the right university as per your profile. You need to have the adequate IELTS score as per the program. Once you have all these things sorted, then you need to do the application towards the getting the offer letter. Once you have the offer letter, then you can apply for the education loan, or you can show your own funds. If you are planning to go and take an education loan, then the education loan has to be secured. Unsecured loan only works if your ITRs are strong. If your ITRs are not strong, then you need to take a secured loan. The secured loan is a loan which is taken against a property. So there you have the maximum moratorium period, and which gives the satisfaction towards the to the immigration that you have enough time to pay off your loan. So all these things has to be decided way before you actually go and file the visa, because what happens is initially the agents in India, they try and push the student to apply, get the offer letter is there, but the funds are not there with the student, because the students also want to just check if they are eligible to go abroad or not, and which just completely waste time of everyone. So in my opinion, you should consult to the agent and ask them about the funding, if that funding what you have is adequate to get the visa or not. So everything has to be taken care of initially itself. So funding is very, very important. Once your funds are there, then the visa documentation, interview preparation, all these things needs to be taken care of, because immigration, if they feel that your funds are not adequate or they are not from the right source, then they might decline your visa. So you have to be very, very sure that everything what you are doing towards your visa application has to be done in a proper manner, so that you get your visa without any trouble, and you should be able to get your visa in one shot itself. It should not be that, okay, we will see how the visa outcome will come, or we'll figure out from the e-note what the immigration is going to see and why they have rejected the visa. So the consultant itself should be very, very sure on what grounds your visa has been declined. Now, the fifth very important point is that you would need support where the accommodation, transportation, your SIM card, the housing, everything needs to be planned in a very, very systematic manner. And for that, we have a special person assigned in New Zealand who is going to take care of all these things for you in New Zealand once you land here. So if the airport pickup is given by the university, then the university can do that. Otherwise, we can arrange that for you for a nominal price. All these things will be taken care of. Your accommodation, housing, the eSIM, your transportation, everything can be managed, and everything else like applying for an IRD. IRD is like the PAN card in India. So all these things helping you navigate through getting your FTS money, how to set up an appointment, all those things we can help you out as well. Since I am here, so I have figured out that these are the challenges which are faced by the student once they come here. So we have designated a special person here who can help you navigate all these things without any trouble to you. So if you are planning for Feb 25 intake, now is the time where you should do a proper consultation and decide, okay, if you want to come to New Zealand, what sort of course you should be choosing, what sort of university or the colleges or the polytechnic which you will be choosing, and how you're going to manage your funds, how you're going to do the application, because most of the students who are want to bring their spouse along, they would also need time so that you guys both can come together and everything can fall within the timeline. So if you're looking forward for Feb 24 intakes, then now is the time to take the action and get in touch with us. There's a link given in the description. Click that link and get in touch with us. If you have any comments, queries, or suggestion, then do write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was informative. If yes, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to BSC. Take care. Bye bye.